this tutorial is to know how to use emotions in Roblox. Playing games and using emotes or emotions make for the perfect combination in Roblox. An emote is an action that Roblox allows players to perform while playing a game. Most of the emotes have to be purchased in-game before they can be used in Roblox. However, there are also a few free ones to try on. Players can use an emotion on both PC and smartphones. Setting up an emotion only takes a few minutes. So, let's take a look at how we can equip and use emotes on PC. If you look, I am inside the game and trying to apply the emotions. At present, I have only 4 emotions, but I can apply at least 8 emotions inside the Roblox game. Looks after every actions, how my avatar is performing the actions. As I said, I can add at least 8 emotes in my avatar. Let's add leftover 4 emotes. Emotes are costly and at present around 8 to 10 emotes are free. Before applying emotes we have to get these emotes in our profile. If they are free then it's good. Otherwise, we need to buy it using the Robux points. Here I will buy at least 1 emote using the Robux, and other free emotes will try to add in my profile. Generally, I don't like to spend Robux points on buying the emotes. But, we don't have an options. So, we have bought 2 emotes, one was using the Robux points and other was free. Okay, let's configure the emotes in my profile which are available in the My Roblox account. We need to select the 1x1 emotes from our Roblox account profile and assign to the equips emotes. Watch it carefully. We can assign any numbers to emotes, but we can use the maximum 8 emotes in my avatar profiles. Don't know why the Roblox is putting such constraint. I did not like it. If I have 100 of emotes then I should be able to configure all. What is the reason of spending the lot of Robux money on emotes and if I am not able to use it? Now, I have configured my 8 emotes in the avatar profile. To use it, I have to go inside the game and to select the emotes icon. This feature is good, and sometime looking such kind of emotions in the game by other players look impressive and want to be your friends to see that how you are performing these kind of actions. Now, I am selecting the emotes 1 by 1 from the emotes window, and according to this my avatar is performing the actions. See, I am performing the actions like applaud, happy, tilt, salute, point to, stadium and hello. In this game, if you look, I am wearing the tiger fancy shirts and this shirt was designed by me. You can look my tutorial on how to make shirts if you are interested to make your own Roblox shirts or you want to buy it through the Robux points. Now this tutorial is end. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you find the tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the YouTube Panda Tech Tips channel. Keep liking and commenting on video. Thank you for watching.